I found a brand new AI tool that's going to solve problems for almost every creator, and I'm 1 in 10% confident about it. With this tool, you can create unlimited images and videos exactly the way you want. All the AI video websites on the internet are either paid or they let you make only a limited number of videos. After making 1 or 2 videos, their credits run out. But there's one website that lets us generate unlimited HD videos, absolutely free. You can even extend short videos, animate photos into videos, and do a lot more. You can turn your images into any style you like. Everything is generated in high-definition quality results. And here's another amazing thing. This website is also available as a mobile app, which means you can use it for free on your phone. This is not a sponsored video. Sponsored videos are always about paid tools. But this tool is completely free, and you can even monetize your channel using the videos you make with it. We're talking about Meta AI. Meta AI is a standalone app by Meta that offers an AI assistant for generating content and managing tasks. It also includes tools to create unlimited images and videos available on iOS, Android, and the web. All you need to do is follow these easy steps. Head over to Meta AI. I've added the link in the description. On the dashboard, you'll find endless videos, all crafted with the power of this AI. In the top right corner, you'll see the login option. Click on it. You can log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. If you prefer not to use those, you can also sign in with your email. I'm personally using my email to log in. Click the email option, then enter your email address. Next, click Create Account. Now choose a name. You can use any name you like. After that, enter your birth date. Make sure it shows that you're over 18 years old. Now, create a password. Make sure it's at least 6 characters long and choose something easy to remember. Now, enter your username and click Save or Confirm. Next, re-enter your email. You'll be asked to verify your account. Check your email for the confirmation code, paste it here, and click Confirm. Your account is now successfully created. You'll see options for generating videos from images, turning text into videos, and much more. Now, click the plus icon and select the Create option. Here, you can choose either the image or video option. Next, pick the aspect ratio you want for your video. I'm going with 16:9. The last option lets you increase video quality and even use a key seed for your video. Now it's time to create an image. I've already configured all the settings, so let's add the image prompt. Click to generate. In a few seconds, the image will be ready. The results are impressive, sharp, detailed, and extremely attractive images. Here's another great feature. If you want to turn an image into a video, just click the Animate option, and in a few seconds, your image will be transformed into a video. Now, let's create another image using a simple prompt. Follow the same process. Click the plus icon and select Create. This time, we'll choose a 9:16 aspect ratio and make a few adjustments in the settings. Here's the generated image. This one looks even better. Now let's animate it. Just click the Animate option, and your image will be transformed into a video. Here, you can also add music by clicking the Music option. Another great feature is the Extend option. Click it to make your video longer. You can also choose any style for your video from the Style option. Now let's create a video using a photo. You can choose any photo you like and turn it into a video. Click the plus icon and upload a photo. Then add a prompt for your image. I'm using this one as an example. After that, adjust the other settings as needed, and finally, click the Generate button. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready, and the quality will match the reference image perfectly. Now click the Animate option, and within a few seconds, the image will turn into an animation. If you want to turn the same image into a video, just upload the image, select the Create option, and choose Video. Then, add your video prompt and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your image will be transformed into a video. By following the same process, you can create unlimited videos just like I did, and there's no watermark at all.